Collagen, the protein that holds your skin, bones, and joints together, is declining fast after age 50. But here's the good news. You can eat your way back to glowing skin and a flexible body without expensive pills or risky procedures. In this video, you'll discover 7 natural, everyday foods that have been scientifically shown to boost collagen production, support repair, and slow visible signs of aging. From delicious fruits to powerful proteins and unexpected vegetables, these collagen-boosting foods belong on your plate every single week. Stick around to the end. We'll also share the best way to combine these for maximum anti-aging benefits. Let's jump in. Section 1. Why collagen matters. After 50. By the time you reach your 50s, your body's natural collagen production has dropped by over 30%, and that loss accelerates every year. This means your skin becomes thinner, drier, and less elastic. Joints may feel stiffer, bones weaken, and even your gums and hair start to show signs of aging. But collagen isn't just about looking younger. It plays a crucial role in repairing tissue, cushioning joints, supporting digestion, and maintaining bone strength. Eating the right foods gives your body the amino acids, vitamins, and minerals needed to rebuild collagen naturally, from the inside out. The following 7 foods are some of the best collagen-boosting superstars, especially for women and men over 50. They help your body produce more collagen, protect existing collagen from breakdown, and support total health as you age gracefully. Section 2, number 1, wild salmon. First on the list, wild salmon, one of nature's most complete anti-aging foods. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and prevent collagen breakdown. Inflammation is one of the top reasons collagen fibers become damaged and brittle. What makes salmon so powerful is its astaxanthin content, a natural pigment that gives salmon its pink color and protects skin from UV damage. Studies show astaxanthin improves skin elasticity, hydration, and reduces fine lines when consumed regularly. Salmon is also a complete protein, providing all the amino acids your body needs to create collagen, especially glycine and proline. Aim to eat wild-caught salmon twice a week for maximum benefits. Pair it with leafy greens and a squeeze of lemon for added vitamin C and collagen synergy. Not a fish fan? Try trout or sardines. Both offer similar benefits. Section 3. 2. Berries. Next up, berries, especially blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. These antioxidant-rich fruits are loaded with vitamin C, one of the most important nutrients for collagen synthesis. Your body cannot produce collagen without vitamin C. It acts as a cofactor in forming the collagen triple helix structure. Berries also fight oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which accelerate skin aging and joint degeneration. They contain anthocyanins, pigments that protect collagen from being broken down by UV rays and pollution. Berries are also high in fiber, which supports gut health, another essential factor in collagen absorption. Eat a handful of mixed berries every day, either in smoothies, on oatmeal, or as a snack. Frozen berries are just as effective as fresh ones and are easy to store year-round. The more color in your bowl, the better. Section 4, number 3. Eggs are a collagen powerhouse in a small package. They contain proline, one of the primary amino acids needed to make collagen. The egg whites especially are rich in collagen-building proteins and enzymes. Meanwhile, the yolk offers fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, and E, which protect and support collagen formation. Vitamin A, in particular, helps your skin regenerate and heal faster. Eggs also provide choline, which plays a role in methylation, a process involved in cellular repair and collagen production. The key? Choose pasture-raised or organic eggs when possible for the highest nutrient density. Eat them boiled, scrambled, or as part of a veggie-packed omelet. Avoid frying them in seed oils. Use olive oil or butter for better collagen protection. For those with sensitivities, start slowly and monitor your body's response. Section 5. Number 4. Citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits are loaded with vitamin C, and that means they're powerful collagen boosters. Vitamin C not only helps your body make new collagen, it also protects existing collagen from oxidative damage. Citrus fruits contain bioflavonoids, which strengthen capillaries and improve skin texture. Drinking lemon water in the morning can kickstart digestion and enhance nutrient absorption throughout the day. Eating whole citrus, with some of the pulp and fiber, Supports gut health, immunity, and collagen function all at once. Mix up your choices. Add lime to salad dressings. Snack on orange slices with cinnamon. Squeeze grapefruit juice over avocado toast. Citrus also helps keep you hydrated. Essential for glowing, elastic skin. Section 6, number 5, pumpkin seeds. Don't underestimate the power of pumpkin seeds. These tiny seeds are rich in zinc, a critical mineral for collagen production and enzyme function. Zinc helps activate collagen-building cells called fibroblasts, which produce new tissue and heal wounds. Pumpkin seeds also contain magnesium and plant-based omega-3s, which calm inflammation and protect your skin. They're a great source of protein, iron, and antioxidants, all supportive of aging gracefully. Sprinkle them over yogurt, add to smoothies, or enjoy as a crunchy snack. Even a couple of tablespoons a day can have noticeable effects on skin texture and nail strength. Raw, unsalted pumpkin seeds are best. Avoid ones coated in sugar or oils. Section 7. Number 6. Garlic. Garlic might not sound glamorous, but it's a collagen-saving powerhouse. It contains sulfur compounds, which are essential for forming and cross-linking collagen fibers. Sulfur strengthens the structure of collagen and helps your skin stay firm and resilient. Garlic is also rich in taurine and lipoic acid, both of which prevent collagen breakdown. These compounds support your body in fighting inflammation and oxidative stress. Garlic also helps improve circulation, which delivers collagen-building nutrients to skin and joints more efficiently. Use fresh garlic in soups, stir-fries, roasted veggies, or even raw in dressings and dips. The fresher the garlic, the more powerful the effect. Section 8. Number 7. Bell peppers. Bright red, yellow, and orange bell peppers are loaded with vitamin C and beta-carotene, making them one of the best vegetables for collagen health. Vitamin C supports the production of new collagen, while beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A, which protects existing collagen and speeds up skin renewal. Bell peppers also contain capsaicin, which may help reduce inflammation and support skin healing. Add raw slices to salads, roast them for added sweetness, or stuff them with quinoa and greens. Just 1 cup of chopped bell pepper can provide more than 150% of your daily vitamin C needs. Colorful foods ill collagen support. Section 9. Best food combinations to maximize collagen. Here's how to get the most out of these 7 foods. Pair salmon with citrus and a side of sautéed bell peppers for a full-spectrum collagen meal. Start your morning with eggs, berries, and pumpkin seeds in a bowl or smoothie. Use garlic and lemon to season your dishes for added collagen synergy. Mix these throughout your week for variety and steady support. And don't forget, stay hydrated, sleep well, and avoid processed foods. These are just as critical for collagen as the foods you add in. Collagen loss doesn't have to be a life sentence. By adding these 7 powerhouse foods into your diet, you're giving your body what it needs to look younger, feel stronger, and stay active well into your 60s, 70s, and beyond. Thanks for watching Better Health Over 50. Like, share, and subscribe for more weekly tips to age naturally, stay vibrant, and feel amazing, inside and out.